What coding testers actually do. You know, programmers write the code, but who makes sure that code actually works? That's where coding testers, or software testers, come in. In this video, we'll break down what testers really do, how they work with developers, and why no good software exists without them. What testers do. A coding tester's main job is simple in theory. Find bugs before the users do. But in practice, it's a mix of detective work, logic, creativity, and patience. They test every part of a program, clicking buttons, entering wrong data, trying to break the system, all to make sure it behaves correctly. There are two main types of testing. Manual testing, where testers manually check functions, screens, and workflows. Automated testing, where testers write scripts that automatically run tests again and again, often using tools like Selenium, Cypress, or Jest. The goal is to catch problems early, because fixing a bug before release costs way less than fixing it after. A day in the life of a tester. So, what does a tester's day actually look like? They start by reviewing the latest features developers have added. Then they read requirements, what the software is supposed to do, and create test cases, which are step-by-step plans to verify that everything works as expected. They might test a login page. What happens if you enter the wrong password? What if you leave the username blank? What if you try to log in from a different browser or device? For automated testers, that means coding small scripts that perform these actions automatically. If something fails, they dig into the logs, capture screenshots, and write detailed bug reports, like a forensic analyst documenting a crime scene. Types of testing. There are many types of testing, and each focuses on something different. Unit testing checks individual functions or components. Integration testing ensures different modules work together. System testing verifies the whole application behaves correctly. User acceptance testing, UAT, simulates how real users interact with the product. Performance testing sees how the app handles load. Can it handle 10,000 users at once? Security testing tries to find vulnerabilities before hackers do. Each one helps build confidence that the software won't crash, leak data, or disappoint users. Skills needed. A great tester needs an eye for detail and a bit of skepticism. If something should work, they still test it. Twice. They also need analytical skills to break complex systems into testable parts. Communication skills to explain bugs clearly to developers. Basic coding knowledge for automation testing, often in Python, Java, or JavaScript. Curiosity, always asking, what if? Why testers matter. Without testers, the digital world would be chaos, crashes, glitches, and frustrated users everywhere. Good testers save time, money, and reputation. They make sure your app launches smoothly, your game doesn't crash mid-battle, and your online order actually goes through. So next time you enjoy a bug-free experience, remember, behind every great piece of software is a team of testers, making sure it's solid, safe, and ready for you. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and may all your bugs be